It's officially day one of Formula Drift Orlando. Today is Pro 1 practice and Pro 2 practice and qualifying. It is 100% the hottest day since I've been in Florida. And yeah, it's hot. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot. So like I said in the previous video, about 45 minutes, we'll be at the track. Where you going, buddy? Keep it moving. Get out of the road. It's hot out here, dude. Keep it going. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. All right, we made it. I can see the smoke coming from the oval. And hopefully they just let me cruise right on in here because I think it's open to the public today. And I don't have a wristband or anything right now. All right, cruise right on in. Nobody said shit. Look handsome. Handsome as all hell. How you doing today? Okay. Drive yet? No? All right, the pits are alive and well. Everybody's putting work in on their cars. Pat.
Hey.
Hello. Travis, you're missing practice.
Haven't started for him yet.
Oh, it's Pro 1 practice.
Yeah.
Turk, Alec, gonna practice together. All right, here they go. Chelsea Denofa on track. That sucks filming from behind this fence. All right, Peter in the S15.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna go fucking do burnouts, dude.
Yeah, it's qualified. Okay, dude, don't act like you're not gonna win.
I'm not gonna win, dude.
You don't think you'll win?
This is a different level than Pro-Am, bro.
Yeah, bro. You don't think you can get qualified first? Yeah, on.
Locked. That is
Ah!
ever.
Okay, hey, are you gonna win?
I'll try my best.
Okay, cool. What up? You having fun?
Yeah, having fun. Did you
Look good. I saw one run. Yeah.
Feels good.
Looks solid, dude.
Everything's working good.
Is the car staying cool?
Yeah. Oh yeah, my car doesn't get hot ever.
Really?
It's like 194 was the hottest so far.
That's good.
Maybe 180.
All right.
Excited. See you guys in a bit.
Yeah, for sure.
Bye.
Is that Caleb Quanbeck?
What, dude? There he is. There he is. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Dude, I've been looking everywhere for you. I mean, not really, but I was hoping I'd see you.
I've been in my car.
Oh, I watched.
Trying to get jiggy. Oh, it wasn't pretty.
It was looking rough.
It was pretty rough.
It's hot as balls out here. My boy Travis just went out for his first run a minute ago. It was great. Probably the best run out of anybody in Pro 2. He's going out for his second run right now.
Oh, hello.
You ready to win? Born to win, dude. Hey, me and all the viewers are wishing you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Of course, of course. And this fucking sick ass rig. You guys got any prime rib in there? I feel like you guys might have prime rib. How you feel, dude?
Pretty hot, man.
Look fast.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we have a ton of grip that I'm just not used to.
What's up, dude? How are you?
Pretty good. No, I just got a ton of grip that I'm not used to, so I was like underjudging everything, so I was like,
Yeah. Trying to get Alex's car all tuned up, ready to rip. And it's off. You look good out there, champ. Alright, Pro 1, practice 2. Pat's about to go out for his first practice run. His car's been running. Well, something happened, I don't know. I think the steering rack was broken. But him and Vaughn are going to practice together, and I'm going to show you. this day is directly devoted to finding any bit of problems that they can find with the car, bugs, and fix them for competition day. He replaced the rack today. Went out for one practice run. It looked really good. You probably just watched that right before I talked about this. And yeah, looked good. For one run, dude.
It's my first lap since November on the track.
Yeah, since I was here.
The front end kind of did a little bounce, huh? Oh, it does, yeah. With those shocks, especially. With any rebound.
Anything, even when I have like those shocks set up and the good ones and everything, it's fucking.
Looked real good though. We'll see in a second. What do you guys think he's doing down there? We're rooting for you.
I did one run.
Did you?
Yeah, you missed it.
Fuck!
I don't even know what I got.
So you're about to go again?
Yeah. Well, after they go through the whole, I was third up.
How'd it feel?
Felt good. I mean, I know I was off of the outer like zone in infield, and I know I was like a little far off the front clip, but
you should change tires.
Yeah.
Hello, baby.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Hello.
Boy, what a nice breeze up here.
Yeah, I know. That's where I've been sitting all day. Oh, you're so handsome. How do you think you did, dude?
You did all right.
I forgot to film both of Travis's runs because I was talking to Gail, but I'll try. Did you film them?
I did, actually.
You did?
I did.
Will you send them to me?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna use Christy's footage in the video to show Travis's runs.
Oh man.
He's definitely in the big show tomorrow.
Think so?
Yeah, dude, I know so. If I'm wrong, you can have my camera. If you're not in top 16, you can have this camera.
I'm here to vouch for that.
Shake on it.
Dude,
All right. Cool.
you're driving tomorrow.
Why don't you be like 16?
You know he's not going to lose that camera.
I know. He'll fight me for it.
How does 16 look?
He'll run away and go home.
No, you know, you did so good. You're going to drive tomorrow. It's going to happen.
You did do really good. Watch.
I was like, who's in the passenger seat?
There was a
I know. Who's driving?
Alright, that's going to do it for day one Pro 2 qualifying. My good friend Travis qualified with a 77, which puts him in the like, what do you think, top 5 for Travis maybe?
I think I just read 7.
7.
Going against George Permopolis from Vegas. D-car.
Oh, he'd be alright. Okay, yeah, so he qualified 7, killed it, super stoked for him. All the other Pro 2 drivers did great. Great first day. We'll be back tomorrow. I'm sunburned if you can't tell. And we'll be back tomorrow for Pro 2 top 16 and finals, and then Pro 1 qualifying, I think. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn the notification button on. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.